Illegally detained Kashmiri prisoners are facing severe hardships in and outside the jails, with the latest restriction being a ban on making phone calls to the family members who reside over 1,000 kilometers away in occupied Kashmir. The restriction was verbally communicated to the Kashmiri prisoners, leaving their families distressed and disconnected. Besides, the detainees in Tihar jail are bearing the brunt of being subjected to the harsh conditions during the Delhi's oppressive summer heat, resulting in many falling ill due to the lack of the cooling facilities. All-party Hurriyat Conference has called on the international community to urgently intervene and resolve the Kashmir dispute in accordance with the UN resolution to alleviate the sufferings of the oppressed people. APHC condemned the harsh measures imposed by the BJP-led Indian government to punish the Kashmiri people for demanding their right to self-determination. Indian troops have arrested 2 Kashmiri youth in the Kathua district, labeling them as underground workers. The arrests were made during a cordon and search operation launched by the troops in the Kandi area of the district. National Conference Vice President Umar Abdullah has criticized the BJP's latest budget for neglecting the pressing needs of the occupied Kashmir. Kashmiri Americans are planning a peaceful protest at the Times Squares on August 4 to condemn the abrogation of Article 370 and advocate for the rights of the people of the occupied Kashmir.